Algorand basically is a low-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that especially has an exceptionally present worth of $0.0994888 and a market capitalization of $788,485,164 in a huge manner. Digital currencies truly have extremely lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, which basically is genuinely huge. These days, it's a resource class that for the most part is significantly directed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate. Some huge speculation banks even certainly obtain Algorand and truly other cryptographic forms of money altogether to explicitly safeguard their resources under administration against a running expansion that injures the conventional monetary business sectors, which basically is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the right time to generally uncover our short, mid, and kind of long-haul expectation of the advancements on the algo market that certainly depend on the readings of our especially remarkable crypto unpredictability file that basically assists us with checking the market feeling and for the most part, expect where in which the market means to go, which really is very critical. At this point, the cost of Algorand is $0.099488, while the coin right now by and large ends up at 48th spot in the general positioning, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The said commonly positioning especially is assessed based on the resources in every practical sense, present value that in every way that really matters is duplicated by its sort of current market capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through every monetary market, which truly is genuinely critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients sort of get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an exceptionally significant way. It's likewise critical to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. On October 26, the cost of Algorand was at $0.100787 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change for the most part added up to 1.60% incredibly. 7 days prior, on October 20, Algo generally was esteemed at $0.089595, which explicitly intends that from that point forward, the value sort of has in every practical sense varied by 0% in a very significant way. A month prior, on September 27, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.095656, hence, the coin basically has taken a 4.01% action to essentially arrive at its in every practical sense present standings, which explicitly is very critical. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Algorand isn't the main variable that we generally consider while making the cost forecast, which is genuinely critical. It's likewise vital to keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a sort of clear perspective on where the market in a real sense is going in an unobtrusive manner. The examination of market capitalization in every practical sense conveys especially equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, or so they explicitly thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology for the most part is utilized to decide the by and large and general position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a significant way in a real sense. Changes in market capitalization in every practical sense, positive or essentially negative, sort of are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could in every practical sense be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both kind of short and truly long-haul points of view, or so they most certainly thought. This very specific extremely metric generally is likewise used to measure the strength of Algorand, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a kind of huge manner. To decide the especially current market capitalization of Algo, we by and large duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will generally be basically made sense of later by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey. Fundamentally further appearance how Algorand truly is a low-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that for the most part has an essentially present worth of $0.099488 and a market capitalization of $788,485,164 in a for the most part significant manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand most certainly remains at $788,485,164. Which frames the reason for its in every practical sense present commonly positioning that especially was referenced before. Yesterday, on October 26, Algo fundamentally had a market capitalization of $798,776,930 wind in an unpretentious manner. Keep going week, on October 20, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $710,224,584, exhibiting his starting today. The market capitalization of Algorand really remains at $788,480,564. Which frames the reason for pretty present fundamentally positioning basically was referenced before in a kind of large manner. A month prior, on September 27, the market worth of Algorand especially was surveyed to truly be $749,208,952 in a huge manner. Total supply considers the quantity of coins that basically have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, or so they in every practical sense thought. These digital currencies can truly be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This really metric additionally calculates the coins that explicitly have been gotten rid of through the interaction called consuming, which especially is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the all-out supply of Algorand in a real sense is laid out at 7,925,400,354 Algo in a very huge manner. Ultimately, the circling supply in every practical sense is utilized to especially compute the market capitalization and generally survey the coins certainly current remaining in the positions. So the set extremely positioning generally is assessed based on the resource's sort of present value that in a real sense is duplicated by its especially current market capitalization, a recipe that really is applied all through every monetary market, which is very huge. It signifies the general measure of algo that generally is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that sort of are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. Showing that some huge speculation banks even in a real sense get Algorand and certainly other digital currencies all at once to sort of safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. It's by and large generally accepted that digital currencies that generally have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for commonly long-haul speculation, since they for the most part are probably going to generally see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Which fundamentally is genuinely huge. At this point, Algorand in a real sense has a coursing supply of 7,925,400,354 coins, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $47,137,068 in a large enormous manner. Yesterday, on October 26, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame sort of remained at $41,568,965 in a really significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 20, how much Algo the